I'm Rebecca. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we are working on a Honda Pilot. The battery is located in the engine compartment. The procedures we're going to outline today cover several model years. This particular vehicle is a 2020 model year. The battery in this vehicle is a little difficult to get to. Before you get started, we recommend you refer to the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. Also, make sure you're set for the project with all the tools and equipment you need to safely replace the battery in your vehicle. We are using a memory saver today. This is to make sure that we keep the vehicle's computer's memories alive as we do the battery installation. The first step is to remove the bulkhead cover. The next step is to remove the air intake duct. The next step is to remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. To do this, we will use a 10mm wrench. Then we'll remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal, again using our 10mm wrench. Next, we will remove the battery hold-down bracket. And you will need a deep well 10mm socket. Next, we're going to remove the battery setting plate. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Now that we have a replacement battery in, we can reinstall the battery setting plate. And reinstall the fasteners. Now we'll clean the battery terminals. And the battery cables. Now we will reattach the positive battery cable to the positive battery terminal.
But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage.
And retighten the fastener. Next, we're going to reattach the negative battery cable to the negative battery terminal and retighten the fastener. Okay. Now we will reinstall the air intake duct. And reinstall the fasteners. Now we're going to replace the front bulkhead cover. Many late model vehicles require that the battery be registered or reset. Please check your service manual to see if this applies to your vehicle. Check out our videos on how to do this, which are linked in the video description below.